So here it is. Here is Luna's 4th birthday celebration just with the family. Candy dessert table that I made for her. Here we go. Right here, this little theme right here. Hopefully you can see it. I have Olaf. I have his nose. And I have Sunny D juice because he likes sunny days. And straws because kids tend to suck on these bottles and they get a mustache. I have spicy sassy candy for sassy Elsa. I have sweet chocolate mammoths for sweet Anna. Then right at the bottom, I just have these rainbow marshmallows that are delicious. And then I just have these spoons with tamarind, these sweet cookies, and these chocolate covers marshmallows, which are delicious as well. And then I have snowballs here for Elsa, right over here with her green dress. Over here I have fruit flavored snacks, which are gummies for Anna. Then I have the placemats what I'll be using when the kids get here. Then I have their goodie cups and what are these? Not pails, I was gonna say pails. They're, I don't know, whatever they are. They're tin and then they're plastic. Then I have a few little baggies for my older kids, my older nephews, right here at the back. I have plates for their cake. I'm using that for adult, either one. I just got them. These were at the $1, and that's a little bit more like something from Walmart. Check out the haul videos. I have the napkins. This tape shouldn't be there, and that's how it looks. I got the this table cover from Walmart as well. And then we go right up. Happy birthday banner. Then we have Elsa and Olaf right about there, and then these blue pompons that are like snow, and there it is. I have my cutter thing over here. So there it is. Look at that. I use a box, you can see it here a little bit. I use a box and cover it with gift wrap that my neighbor actually gave me for a gift for Luna. But there it is. It's very simple, but then again it looks like we are celebrating in big for Miss Luna over there. Hi, Luna.
Happy birthday, my
Yeah, so there you go. Here it is. Oh, did I mention these are donuts, and then these are cowtails, which are like chewy caramel with a cream center. I'm trying to resemble if you want to build a snowman. So these would be his arms, his body, and his nose. Get it? On a sunny day. Yeah? No? Okay. There you go. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Right, for the little girls, I actually put a little paper crown here, and for the little boys I got the Olaf cup, and then I put a little birthday hat so I can see and resemble, and I know my business right here. I know which bucket and which cup goes to each person, and there you have it. Alrighty. Oh. Mátala, mátala, dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale, dale. Ya te diste una, ya le di. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. La, 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 la. Luna, yay, Luna. You see? See? No fire. Look it. You see? Cha cha cha. Oh, ya se ha acabado.